Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sharing the real-life story of how I went from knowing zero English to speaking fluently and confidently, and I'll reveal the exact proven method I used. This is not about expensive classes, boring grammar lessons, or memorizing endless vocabulary lists. It's about smart, simple daily habits anyone can follow to see results fast. If you've ever felt stuck, shy, or scared to speak, this story will inspire you to take action. By the end of this video, you'll know the same steps I used to go from a complete beginner to having natural conversations in English. So, stay tuned. Your fluency journey starts right now. I still remember the first time I realized how important English could be in my life. My name is Adil, and I grew up in a small town where English was just another subject in school, a few lines in a dusty textbook that nobody cared about. At that time, I could barely introduce myself without pausing or fumbling. My pronunciation was awkward, my vocabulary limited, and I often avoided speaking altogether because I fear people would laugh. But one afternoon, during a family gathering, my cousin from abroad spoke fluent English in front of everyone. The way people admired him lit something inside me. I realized English wasn't just a school subject. It was a key that could open doors to jobs, travel, and opportunities one never imagined. I started searching for ways to learn, but there was a problem. I had no access to English classes, no private tutors, and my family couldn't afford expensive courses. Still, I refused to give up. I told myself, if others can learn, so can I. That's when I set a bold goal. Go from zero to fluent in 1 year, but start seeing results in just a few months. I didn't want to memorize grammar rules endlessly or read boring textbooks. I wanted a method that worked in real life. My first step was surrounding myself with English every single day. I changed my phone settings to English, started listening to English songs, and even watched movies with subtitles. At first, I understood almost nothing, but I didn't let that stop me. I kept listening, repeating phrases, and mimicking the way native speakers talked. It felt strange at first, but soon my tongue and brain began to adapt. I made a list of the 500 most common English words and practiced using them in sentences daily. Whenever I heard a new word, I would write it down in a small notebook I carried everywhere. But the biggest breakthrough came when I decided to talk to myself in English out loud every morning. I described my day, my plans, my feelings. It was awkward at first, but it became my secret weapon. After a month of daily self-practice, I noticed something amazing. I was forming sentences faster. Still, I knew I needed real conversations with real people to truly improve. Since I couldn't find native speakers in my town, I turned to the internet. I joined free online communities where learners from all over the world practiced together. My first conversation was nerve-wracking. My hands were sweaty, my heart was racing, and I could hear my own mistakes as I spoke. But instead of judging me, the other learners encouraged me. That gave me a confidence boost like never before. I started scheduling short 15-minute English calls every day. I didn't wait for perfect grammar. I focused on being understood and improving with each conversation. I also developed a listening routine. Every morning, I listened to a short English podcast, repeated the sentences I heard, and tried to use at least one new phrase in my next conversation. The results were shocking. After just 3 months, I could hold basic conversations without freezing. My friends noticed, my teachers noticed, and most importantly, I noticed. I realized that fluency was not about knowing every word. It was about using the words you already know with confidence. To strengthen my speaking muscles, I practiced shadowing. which means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say, copying their tone and rhythm. I did this with YouTube videos, movie dialogues, and even TED Talks. My pronunciation became clearer, and I started sounding more natural. I also set small, achievable goals every week, like learning 20 new phrases or telling a short story in English. These small wins kept me motivated. There were days when I felt tired and almost gave up, but I reminded myself of the bigger picture, a life where I could travel, work internationally, and connect with people from anywhere in the world. Halfway through my journey, something happened that changed everything. I got an unexpected opportunity to meet a group of tourists who visited my town. They spoke only English. My friends pushed me to talk to them, and at first, I hesitated, but then I remembered all my practice. I took a deep breath and introduced myself. To my surprise, the conversation flowed naturally. They smiled, asked me questions, and I answered without translating in my head. That moment felt magical. It was proof that my method was working. After that, my confidence skyrocketed. I started volunteering as a guide for foreign visitors, which gave me daily real-life practice. I learned cultural expressions, humor, and slang that no textbook could teach. I also discovered that learning English wasn't just about words. It was about connection. The more I practiced, the more I saw myself not just as a learner, but as a speaker. To keep growing, I challenged myself further. I recorded short English videos about my day and posted them online. At first, almost no one watched them, but I didn't care. Speaking in front of the camera helped me overcome shyness and review my mistakes. I also wrote daily journal entries in English, which improved my grammar naturally. My reading habits changed too. I started with simple English books, then moved to articles, and finally to novels. Every page I read gave me new words and ways to express myself. Slowly, the fear of speaking disappeared. People began to compliment my English, and some even asked for tips. That's when I realized my journey could inspire others. My method wasn't about memorizing endless rules. It was about speaking from day one, listening daily, and surrounding myself with a language everywhere I could. By the time I completed 1 year, I had gone from zero to fluent. I could have conversations about almost any topic, write emails without checking every word, and understand movies without subtitles. But the real achievement was the confidence I gained. I started helping other learners, sharing my simple but powerful method. 1. Speak from day one, even if it's just to yourself. 2. Listen and repeat daily. Mimic native speakers. 3. Learn common phrases, not just single words. 4. Find conversation partners online, no matter where you live. 5. Keep a vocabulary notebook and use new words immediately. 6. Challenge yourself with real-life situations. 7. Stay consistent, even on days you don't feel motivated. My story proves that you don't need expensive classes, perfect grammar, or years of study to become fluent. You need the right habits and the courage to start. Today, English has opened doors I never thought possible. I've traveled abroad, landed a better job, and made friends from all over the world. Most importantly, I've learned that fluency is not the end. It's the beginning of endless possibilities. If you're reading this and you feel stuck, remember my journey. I was once too shy to say a sentence, but I built my skills step by step. You can do the same. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start now. Speak today, and one day soon, you'll look back and realize you're living the dream you once thought was impossible. And that's how I went from zero to fluent in English, using a proven method that works for anyone. No matter your age, background, or starting level, you can start today and see results faster than you think. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about progress and confidence. Speak every day, even if you make mistakes. That's how you grow. If this story inspired you, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more English learning tips, and share this video with friends who want to improve their English. Your journey to speaking confidently starts now, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.